this budget has not reflected budgetary project allocation and other distribution for the already sanctioned project by the then Honorable Railway Minister, our Supremo Srimati Mamata Banerjee, for West Bengal, Kerala, Assam and other important states of India. It is well known that our leader, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, was the Union Railway Minister second time, 2009 to 2011. During her glorious regime, she did not put burden on common people by enhancing price of railway ticket and freight in the name of tackling odds and challenges of Indian Railways. She has always fulfilled her social obligation to the common people of our country. During her regime, a respected railway project of Izzat scheme was introduced at a monthly fare of rupees only 25 for 100-kilometer journey for the social benefit of those who live below the poverty line as per the recommendation of Honorable MPs. It is a matter of pleasure that a few days ago, Honorable Prime Minister inaugurated Jammu-Katra railway line, which was also announced and sanctioned by the then Railway Minister, our Supremo Chief Minister of Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee. Now I would like to highlight multiple number of examples that will obviously show deprivation of West Bengal in this rail budget. स्वतंत्रता के बाद इस तरीका की भेदभाव कोई गवर्नमेंट बंगाल का साथ नहीं किया है। बंगाल से स्वामी विवेकानंद आया, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस पैदा हुआ, बंगाल से कवि गुरु रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर ने पूरा इंटरनेशनल उन्होंने मार्गदर्शन किया, लेकिन कोई काम बंगाल के लिए इस तरह नहीं हुआ। Now I would like to highlight some specific example. Example number 1, Kolkata Metro Extension Project, Howrah Maidan to Salt Lake Sector V, Sector 5, BBD Bagh to Joka, Noapada to Barasat, New Godia to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Project declared 2009-10, sanctioned by the Railway Board Planning Commission. Projects got 11,257 crore. Budgetary allocation 14-15, only 538 crore. Balance required to complete the work 10,719 crore. Second example, wagon industry in Haldia, 2011-12, need 36.36 crore. You have allotted only 24.80 crore, need 11.56 crore. New coach factory at Kacharapada Halisor Railway Complex, sanctioned 2009-10, need to complete this project 739.38, only allotted 39 lakh. Adra coach factory of manufacturing electric and diesel engine components at Dankuni. Dakshineshwar Damdam Barakpur Metro Extension, Honorable Member sitting here, Mr. Sogato Rai, his constituency, 2009-10, sanctioned project 1,997.10. Allotted amount this budget, only 20 crore, need 1,977 crore. Axle manufacturing factory at New Jalpaiguri, Railway Research Center at Kharagpur, dedicated freight corridor project Howrah to Amritsar, land acquisition cost only 2009-10 656 crore. Allotted amount 286 crore. Need to for land acquisition 370 crore. Double line project from Baruipur to Magrahat, new line project from Bonga to Bagda, new line project from Dankuni to Furfura Sharif, new line project from Digha to Jaleshwar up to Puri, new line project from Nandakumar to Balai Ponda Moina, from Ramnagar to Egra, from Kontai to Egra, new line project from Paskuda to Haldia, from Rajgoda to Tamluk, new line project from Amta to Bagnan, new line project Nondigram to Hijli Pir Baba, Sarif Baya Jhelingham. All these 34 project, ये प्रोजेक्ट आप सब प्रोजेक्ट को बर्बाद करने के लिए जो काम करना था, आप रेल मंत्री के नाते एनडीए सरकार एक काम किया, बंगाल के लोगों साथ इतना बढ़िया भेदभाव पिछले कभी नहीं हुआ. In light of the above, I would like to request Honorable Union Railway Minister on behalf of our party All India Trinamool Congress through your sublimity that demand number 1, please roll back the price hike in ticket fare and freight for the greater interest of common people, keeping it in view that 50% people in our country still they are living below poverty line. Demand number 2, the proposal to inject FDI in railway sector must be withdrawn for the economic and social interest of our country. Our demand number 3, we are not begging any new project in West Bengal, but our demand is very simple, that the project already sanctioned by the Railway Ministry in Union Railway budget for 2009-10, 2010-11, 2011-12 must be completed within stipulated time period, and requisite allocation for the project must be made by Union Rail Minister. On the reply of Honorable Rail Minister, we expect his humble consent tomorrow in this regard. We hope the Union Railway Minister must honor अच्छे दिन शुरू होने का नारा. इसको आप मर्यादा दीजिए, अनार दीजिए, ये हमारी मांग है. Now in this context, I would like to quote Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. যারে তুমি নিচে ফেলো সে তোমারে বাঁধিবে যে নিচে, পশ্চাতে রেখেছো যারে সে তোমারে পশ্চাতে টানিছে. Beneath he will tie you whom you have nethered, behind he draws you whom you have tailed. Before conclude my speech, again I reiterated strong opposition in this anti-people railway budget 14-15. Thank you, sir.